Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. It's Kai here from Mayhem TCG, and today is a very special day because I just got a package from the GameCrafter, which should contain 3 booster packs of the finished game of set 1 of Mayhem TCG and all the cards in the game. And I'm so excited for this because I've been working so hard at this for about 2 years or something, even though I took a long break. But before I open this, I just want to thank all of the people supporting me throughout making this card game, and it has really helped motivate me to finish set 1. And if you would like to support me or my channel, the shop will most likely be open on the GameCrafter by the time this video goes up, so just click the link in the description and you can buy some packs for yourself of Mayhem TCG. That would mean so much to me. But anyway, let's just open this package and see what it contains. So obviously I blocked out my address there, but how are we gonna open this? Okay, some paper here. Oh, sorry, I'm just gonna move these papers. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is insane. So here are the 3 booster packs. And it should be, oh my god. And this is the 100 card set. All cards in Mayhem TCG. Oh, look at the bags. It's crazy. Oh my god. Alright. Sorry, I'm freaking out. But anyway, so I think I'll open one, or I'll open 2 packs for this video. And in the next video, I will go over every single card in set 1. But yeah, so I'm just gonna open this first booster pack. Now I don't want to ruin the packages because I want to keep that artwork and the memories, you know. But it says 18 card booster pack, 100 cards to collect, Mayhem trading card game, and set 1 is called Let the Mayhem Begin. And this is just an artwork of Inferno Golem, if you know my game. Anyways, I'm just gonna cut the, hopefully I don't cut the cards. I'm scared I'll cut them. But here we go. Okay, so there should be, I think 15 commons, 1 map card, 2 rares, and a chance for a gold rare. I think GameCrafter always likes to put the rares in the front, so I'm just gonna move one to the back. And we start with a rare card. This is Lucky Sorcery. Oh my god, look at that. They printed out so well, I'm so happy. So we got a rare Lucky Sorcery. I keep the rares here. Wanted Poster. An attachment card. Amulet of the Sun, another attachment. People of the Sun Guardian. Teardrop Trooper. Oh, and this was a submission for Chaos Galaxy's card art contest, card making contest, which I will actually be doing that at 500 subscribers to win a booster pack. So when I hit that, that will be happening. But anyway, continuing, we have Zip Zap, Bottle of Ghosts, Portable Disarmor, Cold Cream Kenny. I don't want to reveal any of the rarities. People of the Sun Soldier, Hydro Serpent. Oh, and our second rare is People of the Sun Assassin, as you can see here. Very good card for the archetype. We have Bullfin. Bonker. I'm literally shaking. This is so cool. These cards came out so well. Giga Magnet. Super upgraded Pike. Spyco. And our map card is Temple of the Sun. Very nice. Now we didn't get any gold rares this pack, but hopefully we can get in the next one because it's 1 in every 3 packs. But all right, so let's open the second booster pack. Oh my god, these look so great. And just in case you guys didn't see, this is the new back Mayhem trading card game with all the elements. And I know they usually print the borders wrong sometimes, but it looks like they messed up a little bit on the back, but the front looks great. So yeah, actually I'll leave the map cards over here. And next up we have the second booster pack. And also, since I have these cards now, I'll be doing a battle video soon with the finished cards with either my brother or my friend. We'll see. But sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm so happy and excited that this is finally out. But oh shoot, we got a map card. Okay, so I'm guessing in my packs, because last one you get a map card first and then a rare after that, so I'm gonna skip to the back. Well, I'm just gonna see this. I got Haunted Graveyard. That looks so oh my god. Okay, so we're gonna move the rare to the back. We have Teddy, another Giga Magnet, Quadradoom, Tag Team, Dual Strike is our second rare, as you can see there. The Sucker Upper, Volcanic Snail. Oh shoot, I forgot to move this rare to the back. I mean to the other pile. Personal Sales Fairy, Super Upgraded Pike, Colquhoun Kenny, Health Potion, Elemental Meteors, probably one of my favorite cards in the game. Came out so well. Health Potion, Tiki Flame, Bonker, Zip Zap, and we got a third rare. Wait, I don't think that should be like that. It should be either 2 rares and a common or 2 rares and a gold rare. But you know, I'll take another silver rare. But yeah, so we got pretty unlucky there because there's 1 gold rare in every 3 packs. So that means there's most likely a gold rare in this pack. But I want to keep this for a future video, or maybe not, I don't know. But since I didn't pull any gold rares, I just wanted to show you guys what they would look like in the 100 card set, because I ordered all the cards, as you can see here. Oh, I see one popping out. There's 3 gold rares. 3 gold rares in the set. So this is every card in the set. Oh, I see them all. They pop out right away. I'm gonna show you guys God Shroom, my favorite gold rare. Ooh, that looks so nice. Oh, they messed up on the borders in this one. That's okay. But anyway, God Shroom. That is a gold rare, and they kind of print out the difference in the gradients. But yeah, that is what a gold rare looks like. Very nice. They pop out of the borders. But yeah, so let's just go over all the. So we got Temple of the Sun, very good map card for the archetype, and Haunted Graveyard. And the rares we got this video Oh wait, I did get 2 rares per pack. Oh, that's good. I didn't get 3 rares that pack. Okay, so we got Devort, Dual Strike, People Assassin, Sun Assassin, and Lucky Sorcery. So this is so crazy. Oh man, it's finally done, guys. Set 1 is released, and the link will most likely be in the description. Thanks for watching and sticking with me for all this time. If you want to, again, purchase a pack for yourself, the link will be in the description. And thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video.